So I'm reading from my book, Where is Lulu? So it begins with Lulu saying, "Oh no! Lulu, it's time to go," calls Ma. Where is Lulu? Is she under the sofa? Is she behind the curtain? Where is Lulu? Is she next to the stove? Is she in the cupboard? "Lulu, it's time to go. Where are you?" calls Ma. "There you are." "I don't want to go," says Lulu. "We have to go," says Ma. Lulu says, "But I really like this one." And there is Ma and there is Lulu, and where are they? At the library. So Lulu is in the library and she says, "I like this one." And she's looking at books and she says, "And this one, and this one, and this one." "See, you return books and borrow more," says Ma. "Yay!" says Lulu. Where is Lulu now? The end.